Want to use your Apple Pay balance to snag the latest PlayStation game? Let's break down how you can actually use Apple Pay on your PlayStation. Direct Apple Pay integration. Unfortunately, that's a no-go. You can't directly add Apple Pay as a payment method to your PlayStation Network account or directly within the PlayStation Store on your console. When you go to Payment Management or try to add funds to your PSN wallet, you'll typically see options like credit, debit cards, and PayPal. Apple Pay is simply not listed there. So what can you do? Here's the workaround. Purchase PlayStation Store gift cards using Apple Pay. Many online retailers and digital marketplaces allow you to buy PlayStation Store gift cards online. Use Apple Pay when completing your purchase from a participating online retailer. Find a retailer that sells digital PlayStation gift cards and accepts Apple Pay during checkout on your iPhone or iPad. Select Apple Pay as your payment method. Once purchased, the retailer will email you a PlayStation Store gift card code. On your PlayStation console, go to the PlayStation Store and select Redeem Codes. Enter the gift card code you received, and the funds will be added to your PSN wallet. Now, those funds can be used to purchase games, add-ons, or subscriptions directly through the PlayStation Store. It's a bit of a roundabout way, but it's currently the only way to effectively use your Apple Pay balance to fuel your PlayStation gaming desires. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more PlayStation tips and tricks.